Welcome to Storytelling Fundamentals. In this video, we will explore the art and science of crafting compelling narratives that capture attention, engage audiences, and inspire action. Whether you are creating content for YouTube, social media, or any other platform, mastering storytelling is the key to standing out and building a loyal audience. Stories are the most powerful tool for communication. Humans have been sharing stories for thousands of years because our brains are wired to respond to narrative. Stories make information memorable, relatable, and emotionally resonant. When you tell a story instead of just presenting facts, you increase engagement by up to 85%. Stories help your audience connect with your message on a deeper level and inspire them to take action. Every compelling story follows a 3-act structure. Act 1 is the setup, where you introduce your characters, setting, and the central conflict or challenge. This is where you hook your audience and make them care. Act 2 is the confrontation, where your protagonist faces obstacles, learns lessons, and grows. This is the longest part where tension builds. Act 3 is the resolution, where conflicts are resolved, lessons are learned, and your audience feels satisfied. This structure creates predictability and satisfaction. The hero's journey is one of the most effective storytelling frameworks. It begins with your hero in their ordinary world, then they receive a call to adventure. They face resistance, meet mentors and allies, overcome obstacles, and ultimately achieve transformation. This structure resonates with audiences because it mirrors the human experience of growth and change. Whether your hero is a person, a product, or an idea, the journey creates a compelling arc that keeps audiences engaged from start to finish. Your hook is the first few seconds of your story, and it determines whether your audience stays or leaves. An effective hook must be surprising, relatable, or emotionally engaging. You can start with a bold statement, a compelling question, or an unexpected scenario. A strong hook creates curiosity and makes your audience want to know what happens next. Remember, in today's digital world, you typically have less than 5 seconds to capture attention, so your hook must be sharp and immediate. There are many ways to tell stories. Personal narratives share your own experiences and vulnerabilities. Case studies showcase real results and transformations. Documentary-style storytelling uses facts and visuals to explore topics deeply. Metaphorical storytelling uses analogies and comparisons to explain complex ideas. Each format serves different purposes and audiences. Choose the format that best fits your message, your audience, and your platform. Experiment with different approaches to discover what resonates most with your viewers. Remember these 3 essential truths about storytelling. First, stories sell ideas better than facts alone. When you combine information with narrative, it becomes more persuasive and memorable. Second, structure creates predictability and satisfaction. A well-organized story with clear beginning, middle, and end keeps audiences engaged. Third, emotion drives memory and behavior change. Stories that make people feel something create lasting impact and motivate action. Every piece of content you create is an opportunity to tell a story. Whether you are making educational videos, product demonstrations, or personal vlogs, the principles of storytelling apply. Master the narrative arc, understand your audience deeply, and deliver authentic experiences that resonate, inspire, and engage. Now it is time to apply these principles to create unforgettable content that captivates your audience and builds lasting connections. Thank you for watching, and happy storytelling.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.